The market is moving slowly as the giant crypto whale decides to increase sell off. However, that is happening for a reason. Soon, we are to experience a significant cryptocurrency rise in which the hot chain is going to play a significant part. Make sure to watch this video till the end to find all your answers. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Crypto Talk. We are here to make crypto trading and investing accessible for all of you. So if you are new here, don't forget to drop a like on this one, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the post notifications so that you are never left out on what is burning in the market. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Holochain, a detailed talk on its present catalysts and its insane price prediction. We expect this token to bombard the market, leaving everyone in shock on its price trajectory. There is a really high possibility of this token running once again towards its all-time highs. So if you are already a HOT holder, make sure to hold on to your HOT token because you don't want to be missing out on any new updates on this one. Before we jump forward with today's video, please note that a cryptocurrency market is a volatile place, and the token price mentioned in this video might change to a whole different range by the time you watch this. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not in any manner intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. Instead, the video is created for being informative and educational. You are requested to conduct your own diligent market research or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. HOT token, the native cryptocurrency of the Holo Chain, received a lot of market exposure at the start of this year, 2021. However, the token fell alongside the arrival of the significant market bump. On its recent price trajectory, after determining what is cooking for this token, it appears that there are pretty high chances for this token to go all over again towards its all-time highs. There is definitely something about this token that makes it highly unique and approachable in terms of investment purposes. As per the development team of Holochain, this platform is built to serve as a bridge that is sufficient to change the entire structure of the distributed ledger system of the blockchain universe. The Holochain was started and founded by Arthur Brock and Eric Harris. The duo is experienced contract coders who leverage their work and start on with Holochain as early as December 2016. The concept of this cryptocurrency is astonishing yet straightforward. Holo is a peer-to-peer distributed platform for hosting decentralized applications built with Holochain, a DApp development framework that does not rely on blockchain technology. Holo's goal is to act as a link between the rest of the internet and Holochain-based apps, providing an ecosystem and marketplace where DApps can be easily accessed because they are hosted on the internet by Holo network participants. Coming to its token, the Holo network was scheduled to be operated and facilitated using the token known as HoloFuel. However, because of the complexity in technology, this token is still under development and is being actively tested. Post its completion, HoloFuel is reserved to act as an accounting system to pay costs for their services. Since it was taking longer than expected, in 2018, the project minted an ERC20 compatible token, the HotCoin, as an initial coin offering that will be redeemable for HoloFuel upon its launch. On the main event, the HoloFuel token was scheduled and expected to launch for open alpha and beta testing by 2021. We believe this release could be one among the other possibilities playing its part to lift the price of the HOT token. If you are a constant observer of the crypto market, you may have already known that there is a massive Bitcoin price rise coming through for this year. And that is the biggest positive news for Hotcoin. Holochain's native cryptocurrency has been tied to Bitcoin's price action, meaning HOT token is likely to follow the same price trajectory as that of Bitcoin. To support this statement, let us look into the recent fall in Bitcoin's price on 7th September 2021. The HOT token also followed a similar price trajectory. It fell more than 15% in a single day. However, that did not affect the token's price much because it has recovered significantly after this dump. Therefore, according to the current market situation, as the bull prepares for the next Bitcoin rise, which is apparently to $100,000, there are fair chances that HOT token will follow the lead and surpass its all-time highs. Let us look at this article from Cointelegraph titled Bitcoin bulls look to profit from Friday's 195 million BTC options expiry. This title was posted on 15th December 2021. According to this, the $810 million in Bitcoin expired this Friday, that is, 17th September 2021, and derivatives suggest bulls are keen to push the price through the 50,000 level. Bitcoin is currently trading at $48,397, with a green 2.41% change in the last 24 hours. We believe that by the end of the month, as the maximum period, Bitcoin will be rushed towards the $50,000 resistance mark and will be seen to be traveling forward towards its ultimate target at $100,000. In this situation, HOT token is very bullish now. The current prices are nothing but a great buying opportunity for all those who want a humongous profit in a short time period. Well, if you ever thought about what makes HOT token unique, Holo is designed to act as a bridge between Holochain, which represents the world of crypto technology, and everyday users, according to its green paper. The project highlights several innovations, including the ability to host P2P apps on the internet for mainstream users that it claims will enable a significant shift in the landscape of crypto applications and currencies. The project's business plan focuses on creating a peer-to-peer ecosystem of hosts and applications, comparing its intended effect on app hosting to Uber's and Airbnb's respective impact on the taxi and hotel industries. Holo makes money by charging a fee for holofuel transactions, so its business model increases the number of apps and hosts on the network. The Holo network comprises a number of hosts that provide storage and processing power to Holochain-based dApps. Hosts can either use a dedicated machine like a Holoport or install software on their computer that runs in the background and automatically allocates extra processing power to Holochain-based dApps. Hosts are compensated in Holofuel, a token designed specifically for microtransactions. The Holo network should be able to process billions of transactions simultaneously thanks to Holofuel's design. So now you know what makes the Holochain different from others. Now let's look into yet another bullish call for this token. Yes, you guessed it right, it's NFTs. On 9th September, Holochain, on its official Twitter account, tweeted how Holochain is an ideal framework for NFTs. And that was a significant hint by the development team. NFTs are the next big thing. It is the current trend. People are investing thousands, millions, and billions of dollars into NFTs. If Holochain can get hold of this market, this token would never stop shining, at least not anytime soon. Most interestingly, the platform is upgrading itself. On 17th September, the same was confirmed and announced by the team. Apart from catalysts, let's see what HOT token has to deliver in terms of its price. Currently, HOT is trading at $0.009664 with a green change of 1.28% in the last 24 hours. After the significant fall of the HOT token on 7th September, HOT has slipped down from its resistance of psychological importance, that is, the 1 cent mark. Since 11th August 2021, HOT token has been trying to break out from this level. However, it was getting rejected every single time. Well, this time it did get off, but couldn't maintain its peak at $0.013, indicating that from $0.010 to $0.013, that is a massive presence of sell-offs. On looking backwards, we do see a perfect downtrend on HOT token that lasts for quite some time. However, with the market rebounding, the token bounced off, creating support of critical importance at $0.0045 on 20th July 2021. The current price of HOT token is not bullish but neutral. To confirm a decent bullish uptrend, the token needs to break out from the $0.010 mark and surpass the latest resistance at $0.0129. Once that point has been covered, the token is likely to move towards its next resistance at $0.015 and $0.016 respectively. With a robust buying force, we believe HOT token, considering all the positive catalysts in, there are significant chances that it could hit towards $0.030. Overall, 2021 is going to be extremely bullish for HOT token. It is advisable to hold on to your shares, as this is the perfect time to maximize your returns. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and educational, don't forget to turn on the post notifications and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we come online. Leave a comment below on your views on Hot Token, and we will see you all in our next one.